The trimmer line wears down with use. GOAT will notify you when it's time to replace it. On receiving the notification, please replace the line promptly to maintain optimal trimming performance. Before starting to change the trimmer line, you are highly recommended to wear protective gloves. Prepare a new trimmer line spool and a Phillips screwdriver. Press and hold the button on the top control panel for 5 seconds to enter trimmer head maintenance mode. The trimmer head will lower automatically. Install the lighter protection cover. Then turn the machine over and place it on a soft surface. Remove the screw. Pinch the clips on both ends of the trimmer cover and pull it outward. Take out the old trimmer line spool. Get the new trimmer line. Pull out 3 to 4 centimeters of the line. Place the spool into position and thread the end through the line guide hole. Reattach the trimmer cover and tighten the screw. The optimal length of exposed trimmer line should be about 5 centimeters. If it's too short, press the line release button and pull out more line. Once installed, turn the machine upright. Remove the lighter protection cover, and it's ready for use.